Hi everyone. So, every week science quietly changes something that we thought was impossible. Like this week, it reversed diabetes, printed a living eye part, and turned bacteria into cancer killers. And the strange part is, most people never hear about these breakthroughs until years later. So, in the next few minutes, let me show you 10 discoveries that may change medicine faster than we expect. Let's quickly dive into those latest research papers one by one in the simplest way possible. Do you know over 500 million people worldwide take injections or medications just to manage diabetes, not to cure it? But China just changed that. Scientists have successfully reversed diabetes in humans using stem cell therapy. Here is how it actually works. They took the patient's own fat cells, reprogrammed them in a lab to become insulin producing cells, and transplanted them back into the body. The patient's body started producing insulin on its own, so no more injections and no more medications required. A 25-year-old woman with type 1 diabetes became insulin free within 75 days of the procedure. Now, this is still early stage and needs larger trials. But for the first time in history, diabetes is no longer looking like a lifelong sentence. Alzheimer's slowly filled the brain with toxic plaques. And for years, most treatments could only slow that process, not remove it completely. Now, scientists are trying something very different. They engineered astrocytes, one of the brain's most common support cells, to act like tiny cleaning crews. These cells were programmed to find amyloid plaques, attach to them, and break them down. And the surprising part is how they delivered it with a single injection. Unlike current treatments that need repeated infusions, this approach aims to train brain cells to keep working from inside the brain itself. It is still early research, but it could change how Alzheimer's is being treated in the future. Your immune system may remember pollution long after you stop breathing it. Scientists found that pollution does not just affect your lungs, it can leave tiny chemical marks on immune cells that change how they behave later. Not damage your DNA, not mutate your genes, but change how your body actually reads them. Which means the smoke, dust, and chemicals around you may quietly train your immune system every single day. And the strangest part is, your body can store that exposure like biological memory even when you feel completely normal. Insane, right? Scientists have been trying to understand how cancer starts for over 100 years. Studying this was nearly impossible, but AI just solved that problem. Researchers built a system called MAGIC that can scan 1 lakh cells in a single day and automatically spot the ones showing early signs of turning cancerous. Basically, it works like a laser tag. It finds out the suspicious cell, marks it with a laser, and flags it for deeper study. What they found was really surprising. Even in healthy cell division, roughly 1 out of every 10 cells is already making DNA errors. And if one specific protective gene stops working, that number shoots up even higher. So we have been trying to catch cancer early, and AI just gave us the tool to actually do it. Do you know millions of people go blind every year, and most of them stay blind simply because there are not enough donor eyes available. But South Korea just changed that. Scientists have successfully 3D printed a living cornea using real human cells and transplanted it into a blind patient. So no donor needed. Just cells grown in a lab, printed layer by layer into the exact shape of a cornea. And guess what? It actually worked. The patient could see again. The best part is, from just one donated cornea, they were able to print 300 implants. That means one donor can now help hundreds of people. Blindness used to mean waiting years for a donor that may never come. That wait might soon be over. What if the cure of cancer was already living in the soil beneath your feet? Scientists have engineered a bacteria normally found in soil that can enter a tumor, set up home inside it, and literally eat it from the inside out. It works because the center of most solid tumors has no oxygen, and this bacteria loves exactly that kind of environment. But there was a problem. When the bacteria tried to spread to the outer edges of the tumor, it hit oxygen and died before finishing the job. So scientists give it a gene upgrade, making it tough enough to survive near the edges too. And to make sure it stays inside the tumor and does not wander into the bloodstream, it only activates this ability once enough bacteria have gathered inside. So basically, scientists programmed bacteria to be a smart, targeted cancer killer. What if stress from your childhood never really leaves your body? Scientists just found that early life stress can quietly rewire your gut, and the effects may stay for years. Not just anxiety and not just some memories, actual digestive problems. In both mice and thousands of children, early stress was linked to gut pain, constipation, and IBS later in life. In this study, stress changed the nerve signals between the brain and gut, slowed digestion, increased pain sensitivity, and made the gut react differently even long after the stress was gone. And when researchers looked at 40,000 children, the same pattern appeared. Early stress was strongly linked to constipation, gut pain, and IBS later in life, which means that your stomach may still be reacting to things your brain experienced years ago. Do you know cancer may begin much earlier than anyone can actually feel? Scientists just built an AI system that can detect tiny chromosomal mistakes inside normal human cells, mistakes that may later turn dangerous. And what they found was really surprising. More than 1 in 10 normal cell divisions already create spontaneous chromosomal errors. Most of the time, your body catches those damaged cells and removes them before they become a problem. But when one major anti-cancer gene called P53 stops working, those errors almost double. That means the earliest steps of cancer may start silently inside completely normal tissue long before any symptoms appears. And now AI is helping scientists in watching that process cell by cell for the first time. Fascinating, right? If you have sleep apnea, you already know the struggle. Waking up gasping, wearing a CPAP mask every night, and for many people, eventually giving up on it. But now, a European clinical trials suggest something much simpler that may work. A pill called Sultiam reduced breathing interruptions by up to 47% in people with moderate to severe sleep apnea. It also improved oxygen levels through the night. What really makes it different is how it actually works. Instead of forcing the airway open like a machine, it helps stabilize the brain's breathing signals so that the airway is less likely to collapse while you sleep. Side effects were mostly mild. It is still early, but for the first time, a pill for sleep apnea looking genuinely possible, right? Ever wondered why some people are always constipated no matter what they eat or drink? Scientists just found the answer, and it's neither diet nor stress. It's bacteria. Inside your gut, there is a thin wet layer that works like a lubricant, and it keeps your poop moving smoothly. But certain bacteria literally eat that layer, dry it out, and when that happens, everything just stops. Researchers proposed bacterial constipation as a newly identified microbial mechanism contributing to chronic constipation, which also means that millions of people have probably trying to solve the wrong problem this whole time. So that's 10 groundbreaking research stories. You know, science is really moving faster than most people actually realize. And honestly, it's worth paying attention to it, right? Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these shocked you the most. If this video helped you understand something you did not before, then you can let me know by hitting that like button. And if you want to be the first to know every time I break down latest research, then hit subscribe and press the bell icon, because on every Saturday I break down latest research papers like this. So don't miss them out. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.